In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your Instagram highlights from anyone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app, and then we need to go to user's profile whom we would like to hide our Instagram highlights from. We can easily do so by tapping at their username, just like that. And then basically, guys, all we have to do is just tap at the three dots at their profile page and then hit at restrict. Once the user is restricted, that will prevent them from seeing our Instagram highlights. In any time later on, if we change our mind, we can easily unrestrict any user. In the same way, we can open up their profile page, hit at three dots, and then tap at unrestrict. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button.